In this next set of videos, what we're going to do is explore an example where we have multiple forms on the same page. Now, PHP by default doesn't necessarily know when one form might be submitted over another, and so we have to use some different techniques in order to identify which form is submitted. The three examples also demonstrate some other new features. In this first example, what we're going to do is have a form that we submit via post. So as I submit this, notice that in the URL, we don't have any of the variables being passed. And then in the second example, what we're doing is creating a simple contact form, which, when submitted, will actually send an email to a specified email address with this information in it. And then in the third example, we're going to look at how to persist information across multiple form submissions in the same input. So notice if I type in hello here and click save my string, the form got resubmitted, but here if we look in the input, the data is still in there. So here's a quick overview of what's going to be new in this example. So first of all, we're going to explore using multiple forms on the same page in the same PHP file. And then we're going to look at a new control structure called switch, which is simply an alternative structure for a series of if statements that test the value of a particular variable. We're also going to look at additional variables that get set globally when we submit a form, depending on the method that we use, called request and post. And finally, we're going to look at how to store data in an input over multiple form submissions.